Hey guys, welcome back to my next adventure, guys. Alright guys, I've been here for at least an hour, maybe 2 hours. Alright, my brother's here. They're coming from the Queen, from the other side. So they're here in Valliant to switch out the cars, go into the meal, and they'll head back out about maybe at least 7 o'clock. They're going to take a lunch break after they get done here. After they get done switching, they're going to go for a break. And they are just coming. Hopefully this car makes it. So guys, I hope y'all have a good railroad fan and stuff like that. Here we go, guys. Alrighty guys, the reason why they are stopped the train is there's a crewman down there. He's in the truck down yonder, and he's down there helping the train conductor switch and stuff. And and my other friend, he is just right down yonder. He's waiting for them to flag him to go backwards or frontwards. So this is really cool. This is live action here on the Queen Railroad here on the hot rails here as well. So guys, here we go. This is pretty cool. So hope y'all like this. Alrighty guys, never mind. They didn't have to back the train up. So that's a good thing about having a second person who's driving a truck and going down there and switching. They'll come back later on tonight or day after tomorrow and bring some more cars and put them all to that mill over there. They're gonna drop the chip cars and stuff over there on that mill. They're gonna back up the train and they're gonna slide on that way. So this is different and stuff like that. It's very different, but I like it. So, and technically they did pretty good. I mean, it's probably 12, right? It's probably 12. So I think my friends should be coming any minute. My brothers, those are my brothers, my Queen brothers. So they're on their way into the yard. They're gonna wait. They're gonna unhook trains right there, and then get the chips and then back them up and onto that mill over there. And then my brothers on the Kiamichi Railroad will they'll take those cars and then back them up right there with the other train and the other unit, which I just telegraphed about an hour or 2 hours ago. And then they're gonna come down this little line, this little interlock right here, and pick those cars up and then back down the track, and then on the way to Hugo, they back up to the other ones they currently got right there, and then on their way. I'm sorry if that's confusing or anything like that, but right now they just got here. I'm glad I get to see them. I'm glad I get to photography them and stuff like that. Well, guys, please be safe during railroading, and always, guys, don't take pictures in the center of the tracks. If you're gonna take pictures, do it on the side, or just do it after the train passes, just to be safe. And also, guys, do not be riding four-wheelers on the tracks. Do not be riding four-wheelers on the side of the tracks, because if a grade gets too like this, you can tip the four-wheeler, and that could be dangerous. So please don't do that. But always, guys, if you're hunting or you're visiting an aunt, uncle, grandpa, nanny and papa, grandma, whoever, just notice, though, it's not best for you to ride four-wheelers on the tracks or anything like that, because there could be a train, or you can get hurt, or stuff like that. So it's not best for you to ride a four-wheeler on the railroads. It's not best. It's not safe. So I encourage you not to do that. And I encourage you not to ride four-wheelers on the side too. That's dangerous as well, because the grade could get uneven just right there. And so guys, I just want you to know, I just don't want to hear you get hurt or whatever, guys. And yes, guys, I want to start a railroad safety campaign. So guys, this is the reason why I told you it's not best to ride four-wheelers on the railroad tracks. Please be safe when you're photographying the train. If you're going to take pictures, make sure make sure you're not in the center of the tracks, because there could be a train coming behind you or the person that's taking pictures of you. So the largest thing is to do is mostly take pictures on the side right here, or just wait after they pass through, or wait until they shut the train down. When they tire down, then you can take pictures in front of the train. But mostly I want you to be safe, and I don't want to see you get hurt or anything else. So, and also guys, don't be at a freight train. Stop for a freight train, guys. That's what those crossings are for. When the flashing lights and bell starts going off, that is a stop sign that tells you to stop. So guys, always be cautious of that. And even if they're malfunction, you should always view there could be a train coming. Sometimes there could be a malfunction, and sometimes it may not be, and there's a train coming. So don't chance it. So guys, when a railroad crossing is a stop sign for you crossing over the tracks. Trains have the right of way. So guys, they always do, and they deliver your cargo and stuff like that. And guys, they're gonna block traffic. So guys, don't get mad at them. Don't harass them. Just wave at them and stuff like that. Because the train conductor, he waved at me. He seen me. I waved at him, and he waved his hand up like this. So I love that. I mean, they're really good. T&E is a really good railroad, and it's also it's really a good business. They deliver anything down the line and stuff like that. So guys, go Kiamichi Railroad and go the Queen Railroad. So guys, I will see you guys later. I'll see you next time. But always, guys, trains do stop. It takes a mile from a stop. So guys, do not pull out in front of a train, because guys, they do not stop on a dime. So guys, trains do stop after they hit you. It takes a mile for the engineer to stop. So do not jump out in front of the crewmen, and just wait until they back up or go forward. Always wait for the train. If you don't got the patience, always safely just back up and go around and go wherever and stuff like that. Well guys, I'm about to end this video, guys, so I'll talk to you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching.